why am I so almost obsessed with time management and productivity? It's not a bad thing. It bugs a few people, I know, but it makes me happy. And this is my favorite. Confessions of an Organized Housewife. This was a long time ago. This was before I moved to Colorado, more than 30 years ago. But I have always enjoyed organizing things, putting things in order. It kind of makes me happy. When I'm working on a database, and before I blew up my Fitbit, my heart rate would go down to 53. It would just drop. I was in a state of bliss when I'm working on databases because I'm organizing things. And that's how God made me. By being organized, it brings out the best in me because then it opens up the place for the real me to shine. The word momentum to me just always says it. It's my flow. It's like, I'm in the flow. I've got momentum. Do not get in my way because this is my happy place. They actually describe it as ecstasy. And so that's who's like, well, how do we bottle that? So you got a plan. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Has anyone heard that before? No. I have been described as a workaholic. I really do enjoy work. It puts me, because my work is very structured and I put it on a calendar and it allows me to get in the flow. No wonder I love work. It's what makes me happy because of my process and the systems that support it. Okay, calendar and clock, calendar and clock, calendar and clock. Look at all these check marks. All of those are little happiness factors for me. Check, 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 check. Beginning of the day to the very end. I am checking things off left, right, and center. I'm keeping them organized. It almost seems like I've got 3 days. I really do think you can increase your productivity, if not 30%, 300%, if you start mindfully organizing your time. Now,